Welcome back to the channel, guys. A huge mailbag today. Tons of goodies arrived. Most of these things are going to get their own video upcoming, so I'll just sort of gloss over things. I got this from Hobby King. New battery for my quadcopters, 1300 4-cell. I actually got 4 of these. This is one of the kind of best bang for the buck right now for 4-cell 1300s. They're just good. This package, I won't go ahead and get them all out, but I got these from eBay. A whole bunch of standoffs for building mini quads, particularly the 3D printed frames. You'll see some of these on the channel upcoming. Tons and tons of these little buck converters. These are the ones that you saw in my video for converting a lithium polymer transmitter over to LiPo use. These things are just fantastic. They're 2 amp, I believe. I'll correct that if I'm wrong on the screen. They just work. I love these things. The form factor is awesome. Pretty cool. Not a boost, just a buck converter. Next up, got a replacement soldering iron. Entire iron for my WEP unit, my benchtop unit. My other one, I broke the ceramic inside the tip. These things are like $2 a piece from eBay. Unbelievable. Not the best, but they work. Next up, we have the SP Racing F3. I won't bother and get these out. This is the F3 flight controller. One of the best units out there right now for quadcopters. Really great price on them. Comes with a case and all the attaching hardware. You pick these up on eBay. I won't bother listing the sellers and stuff that I buy these things from, because by the time you guys view these videos, they're outdated. Go to eBay, search for SPF3, sort by buy it now and top rated sellers, and free shipping. And you'll find these. Another spare FSIA 6B receiver. This is the FlySky with S-Bus receiver that I'm using in my quadcopters lately. Works great. Good cheap unit. And this is a balance board for charging my quad batteries, for parallel charging multiple packs at the same time. Again, same as before, just eBay special. It is fused with an automotive spade type fuse, comes with the balance lead, and that's about it. XT60 connectors, and also you can daisy chain these by adding another one on with this Dean's connector here. So pretty cool. I got 3 of these actually. 2 I already had to put into service. I just grabbed these from eBay from a local supplier, 32 gig MicroSD cards. Can't have too many of those. I'm running into issues keeping up on them. I keep losing them. I don't know how, but that's what's happening. I got this from Amazon. This is the, well, it's kind of pointless, the XC Source. I don't know. I think it was branded under AOM Way style FPV antennas, but these are just non-covered standard FPV antennas. This is just SMA, not RP SMA, and I'm going to give these a try because I've simply never tried this style before. I always get the same ones, and these ones seem kind of interesting, so we're going to try them. And next up, this will get its own dedicated video because super cool. I got this quadcopter sent to me for review. This is completely an ARF. It's just needs a receiver and FPV gear. Comes with a CC3D on board. It's a 210 size with what looks like good motors, good speed controls. Speed controls on the bottom. I'm really excited about this. I think for the price they're charging for these, that's why I accepted it. I think for the price they're charging, this actually might be an awesome beginner 210 quad, 210 size frame. I'm not sure. We're going to give it a try. We'll see that in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't already to see that upcoming. Whole box of stuff here. More King Kong props. Can't have too many props. These are just standard 50/40s. I'm moving away from these and going to the tri-blades, but I've got tons and tons of props now, so I'm going to use them up. And what I'm moving to is actually, Sam Shepard tipped me off with these. Sam told me to check out these Dowel Prop 5045s for my GB210. He said these are the best thing that he had come across yet and gave me a supplier in the US, so I went ahead and ordered them. I think they're going to be pretty cool. We'll find out when we actually put them into service. Thanks, Sam, for the tip. Appreciate it. And of course, worthy of note, I just didn't buy one or two. I bought a whole bunch. More is gooder. This box I got from GearBest. We got a bunch of heat shrink. There is the skew and everything on there. Pretty standard stuff, just colored heat shrink. Nothing special. I got a run cam. This is the run cam Swift, I believe. I've never owned a true run cam. Again, this wasn't sent to me for review. I purchased this. So we're going to give this a try. This is going to go on a very particular quad build. And the quad build that's going to go on is this GB210. This is the exact same kit that you saw me review previously on the channel from GearBest. I liked it so much that I went ahead and purchased my own. This, you can see there's 2 videos dedicated to this. You can check it out. I love it. It is just an awesome kit. Best bang for the buck. Goes like a scared cat. Great board, great ESCs, great motors, great flight controller for a good price. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger and got myself another one. Also in the package, well, that didn't get sent. I 3D printed another mount for my FPV, or for my action cameras. This fits the Mobius or run cam on that 210. Put it in there to store it so I would keep track of it. This is another FSIA 6B receiver, same as we already looked at. That'll be for that build. Got some standoffs for building that quad. There's enough in there to build the quad, but it's good to have some extras. I was running a little low and I wanted some black ones. And as well, I got some XT60 connectors. Can't have too many of those. Handy to have spares. Can't go wrong. That is it, guys. Glad you could join me today. Check out some of the other videos on the channel for more FPV and electronics and builds. Wintertime's coming. We're going to move back into some more electronics because it's not going to be so nice out to fly quads. But we'll do some builds, do some cool projects. Stay tuned. I will see you next video.